Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to dive into beekeeping. If you've ever been curious about the world of beekeeping and how you can start your own buzzing adventure, you're in the right place. And in today's video, we'll be covering all the essentials you need to know to get started on your beekeeping journey. So, grab your beekeeping suits and let's jump right in. Before we even step into the apiary, let's lay down the basics. Beekeeping isn't just about honey production, it's also about fostering these incredible pollinators to help our ecosystem thrive. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. Educate yourself. Grab some books, take online courses, and join local beekeeping clubs. Knowledge is your foundation. Bee stings are part of the package, so investing in proper protective gear is crucial. A bee suit, gloves, and a veil are your best friends. Find the right spot for your beehive. A sunny area with morning sun is ideal. Ensure the hive is protected from strong winds. Now that you're armed with some basic knowledge, let's dive into setting up your hive. Langstroth, top bar, and Worray. These are some common hive types. Start with what suits your style and resources. You can order packaged bees or a nucleus colony from a reputable beekeeper. Spring is the best time to introduce new colonies. Follow the instructions to assemble your hive. Each frame has a purpose: brood, honey, and pollen storage. Your hive is set up, and the bees have moved in. Now what? Let's talk about hive management. Inspect your hive every 1 to 2 weeks during the warm months. Check for disease, pests, and queen performance. Bees need a consistent food source. Supplement their diet with sugar syrup when necessary, and provide a water source nearby. Swarming is natural but can lead to colony loss. Manage space, monitor queen health, and be prepared. The sweet reward of beekeeping: harvesting honey. Wait until your bees have capped most of the honey cells before harvesting. This ensures proper moisture content. Remove frames with capped honey. Use a bee escape to clear the bees, and extract honey using an extractor. Filter the honey to remove debris, bottle it, and store in a cool, dry place. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. And there you have it. Aspiring beekeepers, the fundamental steps to get started on your beekeeping journey. Remember, beekeeping is a rewarding experience that requires patience, care, and dedication. It's not just about honey. It's about playing a role in the preservation of these amazing pollinators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more nature-related content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and happy beekeeping!